Legionella is a type of bacteria that can cause a severe form of pneumonia known as Legionnaire's disease. It was first discovered in 1976 when an outbreak of pneumonia occurred among people attending an American Legion convention in Philadelphia. The bacteria was found in the cooling system of the hotel where the convention took place. In nature, Legionella can be found in freshwater environments such as lakes, rivers, and streams. It can also be found in soil and compost. Man-made areas where Legionella can grow include cooling towers, hot tubs, decorative fountains, and plumbing systems. Legionnaire's disease can cause symptoms such as coughing, high fever, muscle aches, and shortness of breath. In severe cases, it can lead to respiratory failure and even death. People with weakened immune systems, smokers, and those with underlying health conditions such as chronic lung disease or diabetes are the most susceptible to getting Legionnaire's disease. The risk of Legionella can be reduced by properly maintaining and cleaning areas where the bacteria can grow, such as cold water storage tanks, water heaters, cooling towers, and hot tubs. Regular testing for Legionella can also be done to ensure that levels are within safe limits. The temperature required to kill Legionella is at least 60 degrees Celsius, which is why it is important to ensure that hot water systems are properly maintained and set to the appropriate temperature. 5 areas where Legionella bacteria can be found in the natural world are: 1. Lakes and rivers. Legionella bacteria are naturally occurring in freshwater environments, such as lakes and rivers, and thrive in warm water, especially during the summer months. 2. Legionella bacteria can also be present in soil, particularly in areas where there is natural water, such as springs or groundwater. 3. Hot springs. The hot and mineral-rich water of hot springs can also provide a conducive environment for the growth of Legionella bacteria. 4. Garden compost. Legionella bacteria have been found in compost and manure, especially in the summer months when the temperature is high. 5. Some cooling towers or air conditioning systems can also harbor Legionella bacteria. The warm and stagnant water in the cooling tower provides an ideal environment for the bacteria to grow. It is important to note that Legionella bacteria are not harmful when found in natural environments at low levels. However, they can pose a risk to human health when they grow to high levels in man-made environments such as water systems in buildings. Legionella is a type of bacteria that causes Legionnaire's disease, a severe form of pneumonia. It can only be contracted by the inhalation of aerosols. This is the most common way of contracting Legionnaire's disease. The bacteria can be present in tiny water droplets or mist that are inhaled into the lungs. This can happen when using a shower, hot tub, or near a poorly maintained cooling tower. 1. Contaminated shower head. Legionella can grow and multiply in the small crevices of shower heads. When the shower is turned on, the bacteria can be released into the air and inhaled into the lungs. 2. Sediment in cold water storage tanks. Legionella bacteria can grow and multiply in stagnant water. Sediment buildup in cold water storage tanks can act as a nutrient and create an ideal environment for bacterial growth. 3. Hot water heaters. Legionella bacteria can also proliferate and multiply in hot water heaters. If the water temperature is not high enough, the bacteria can thrive and spread throughout the water system. It is important to note though that Legionnaire's disease is not contagious and cannot be spread from person to person. To prevent the contraction of Legionnaire's disease, it is recommended to regularly clean and disinfect water systems, maintain proper water temperatures, and ensure that stagnant water is not present in the system.